Guys, I'm using this Troy-built 2-cycle tiller to dig a French drain here. What I'm doing is basically tilling up the floor. It's a 9-inch width, and I'm gonna fill it up with rock. So I'm digging with a shovel, loosening up the soil. It's going a little bit slow, but so far it's been like half an hour, and I've done about 10 feet. So this tiller is really doing a good job. I was going to rent a witch ditch, but using a tiller is like a multi-purpose, so that I could dual purpose, so that I can actually use the tiller for my garden too. Using a tiller to trench, the dirt becomes nice and soft. So it's really easy to move the dirt and dig the trench for your French drain. I found this the easiest part of using a tiller to dig a French drain. I think that's pretty good. Dug out some mud and used the tiller yet again to till up the ground. Dig it up. So that's gonna be my drain. I put the paper and fill it up with rock. Looking a lot better now. Look at that. Just ran the tiller again. Looks good. It's like perfect. Now I'm installing the ground paper. So that I can put the rocks in between them. I just filled in most of the cup with gravel from my big gravel pit right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this halfway through and stick these main rocks in here and then put more rocks on top. So basically this is going to prevent mud getting into this set of rocks, particularly of rocks that I put down here, because when the animals start stepping on it, they start pushing everything down. So that's what I'm going to do. And start pooping everywhere and stuff. So I want one thick layer of rock to be protected from the animals, and then the rest of it is going to be rock on top. There you go. It's going to look something like that. And I have all of that to do for now. And pass the cow and a whole bunch to go. So it's going to take me a little bit of time, but you know what? I appreciate it because I've done it myself, and I've done it at a low cost, and the cow appreciates it, and the goats appreciate it because they don't get hoof rot and the mud doesn't clog with water. Doing it in sections makes it a lot easier. So I've done that section, held the other section up, and I'm going a lot easier that way. And yeah, it's easier to fill the rock too into the little cavities of the drainage paper. So here we go, all filled in with rock and ready to go fill the top section with rock. This is done. I widened it a little bit so that when the animals walk on it, it grinds their hooves down. But yep, done. There we go. That's it for now. All right, more ditches cut. Uh-oh, goats coming along. Gotta fill up the trenches before the goats eat my paper. And it starts. This is it. About 5 tons of gravel. Here we go. Comes down from the barn up there. Water's gonna come down here and then go down. I still got a jackhammer across the small driveway over there, and cut a path right across to the other side where you have a little stream flowing. So there we go. Hopefully this will keep my barn nice and dry.